New York Giants football is on the air from Levi's Stadium in Santa Clara, California. It's the New York Football Giants and the San Francisco 49ers.
Hey, let's do our job tonight. Hey, Giants on 3, 1, 2, 3, Giants. They must have forgot who you are. They forgot. It's all right. We here to remind them. We here to remind them.
All I'm gonna tell y'all, look out now. Second half of the season, look out.
Here we go, empty your tank now. Every play, with everything you got, doesn't matter, whatever it takes, all right? Big guys on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Big guy. Hey, ain't a lot need to be said, man. Y'all know what's at stake. We got 8 games left. This is number 1. Worry about tonight, man. 60 minutes, everything you got, man. Every play count. Everybody play together, and I promise we're gonna get a win, man. Here we go. What time is it? Game time. What time is it? Game time. What time is it? Game time. And it does it out. And it does it out. And it does it out. Here we go, here we go. Hey, together on 3, together on 3. 1, 2, 3. Together.
Mullins takes the snap, play fake, looking to throw, fires it off to the right, and it's deflected and intercepted by the Giants. Goodson's got it and run out of bounds at the 10. Janoris Jenkins almost had the interception. It bounced off him, and then B.J. Goodson with his first career interception.
Yeah. What? Hey, good. Man. God, B.J.
Hey, that's it. Jet motion, baby. Jet motion, that's the theme, right? We're gonna make a play, baby. Jet motions, that's the theme. Get ready to bump.
Manning in a shotgun set, 3rd and 8 from the 10. He's back to throw. He's under some pressure, buys some time, throws to the back of the end zone. Touchdown, Odell Beckham Jr.
Good job there by Eli Manning, moving in the pocket and finding a guy wide open.
Let's go, boy.
Let's go. Good. Good. Ah! Hey, 13. Hey! 1, 3. Let's go.
Hey, you're not done. You hear me? You're not done. I need
Just getting started.
Mullins takes the snap, gives for Breida up the middle, avoids the tackle, and is in for the touchdown.
That's everything we expected of them. They're going to push the edges and then play action and boot.
So we were unsettled and they catch something that we know we can take away. All right? So I don't care how they end up. And Jade, you stay on 2, you stay on 1, and we roll.
He ran my 6 before I could even break in. Okay. So I'm gonna run it the same way. I'm gonna stem out, stick up, and just keep going.
I bet you won't get another one. I want to see another dance, though.
I don't know what I'm going to do this time.
I want to see another dance. It makes
Manning in a shotgun, Barkley to his right, Eli clapping his hands, takes the snap, he's back to throw, he lobs one left for Beckham again, who's got it, touchdown, Giants. Same play, Odell does a little dance, he's got 2 touchdown catches tonight, and the Giants answer the Niners' long touchdown drive with a quick drive of their own.
Hey, Jay! Eli!
Hey!
And that backwards.
Don't do that. Smash that. I ain't going to drop another ball. Let's go.
Yeah. That full quarter coming though?
Yeah, it's about to happen. It's about to happen.
Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
Hey, he wants to throw it to us. Just catch it. All right? Come on.
18 for the Niners at the 49-yard line. Mullins back, throws it up over the middle. The pass deflected and intercepted. It went through the hands of the receiver and picked off by the Giants, B.J. Goodson.
Second interception for Goodson.
Hey, man. God damn, man. Look at you.
How that circle ball yesterday?
I gotta say.
2 of them things.
Deuces.
Oh, yeah. 2 piece. 2 piece. 2 piece. 2 piece in a biscuit.
He ain't dropping no more tips.
Get that 2 piece in a biscuit.
So a 30-yard field goal attempt from the left hash. Snap is good, kick on its way, and Gold knocks it through. Niners 23, Giants 20.
Hey, listen now. Good time gonna come.
Single high safety look. Manning drops back to throw. Steps up, deep ball down the right sideline. There's Ingram at midfield. Manning awaits the shotgun snap. He takes it, he's back to throw. He sidearms it over the middle. Caught by Barkley on the run. 20, breaks right to the 15. Barkley to the 10 and shoved out of bounds. Just short of the 10 at the 12-yard line. Eli Manning, 35 career fourth quarter comebacks in the regular season. Manning back to throw. He looks left. He throws left. Caught for the touchdown by Sterling Shepard.
What'd you say?
I've been waiting all
Don't
day.
make a play, boy.
I know it. I knew it was coming. I had to stay patient. I told you. Patiently waiting.
That's right. Hey, we got a rookie. I said, Coach, we got a rookie on him. We got a rookie on him.
He kicked.
Hey, what'd I say? It's coming to you.
Brother, man.
It's coming to you.
There's 1 second remaining, and the Giants lead 27-23.
We left it out there. That's all we can do. Defense gonna close it out for us, I promise you.
Mullins calling out signals. 4 Giants down by the goal line. Mullins back. He's under pressure. He heaves it through the back of the end zone. The Giants come out of the bye. They get a come from behind drive from Eli Manning, and the Giants win the ball game 27-23.
Play's great, man. Thank you. Keep it up. Good luck the rest of the year, all right? Good luck to you too, man. All right, brother. For sure. Be good. Be good. Like what?
Feels good to get the win. You know, we worked hard for it. About to get back on this flight, go back to Jersey. We all happy, man. That's all. You know, I don't even know what to say, man. I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, we going back to New York with the dub, baby. I don't care how we got that thing. We out with the dub.